throw a salute, give you when they look me koro koro and they hear me wine wine. On top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV, on top Star Times, channel 195. And this na the Ogbonge program when give you license to talk about they be you for body as E DEY HOT. Today we don't carry topic where they come out smoke come based on what they happen inside this week, Obodo, Nigeria. Remember saying an election special we they do and all the issues when we discuss. Now issue when we say we they look as we they go March 28th and April 11th where we go get the general election inside this Obodo, Nigeria. You get one gist when being come out for February. But as we can enter the month of March, the thing called begin they gather what they call prominence. Say some police officers, then they plan go strike. Say they no go work again. And the strike will start on the 28th of March, the day when we supposed to get presidential and national assembly elections inside this way, Obodo, Nigeria. My name na Ezugu Chukwudi. I not there alone inside studio. I deal with my brother. We sabi well as he take concern the matter as E DEY HOT.
Good morning, our viewers. Good morning, Nigerians, and welcome to another edition of As E DEY HOT. My name is Uncle B, and as usual, Chukuli don't introduce them to now. 28th March, waiting what happen, day of election. But now, we hear say police won't do waiting. They won't go strike on that day. Okay.
Our people went there for house. Una self join us for this discussion. We did on top of Facebook. Go to the Wazobia fan page. Like anywhere where you see our thread, chook mouth on top. We did on top of Twitter too. At TV as E DEY HOT. And if you send us an email to our website at wazobiatv.tv. When we start the opening argument, we go through our phone lines open so that you go call to chook mouth for inside the matter. If you don't get our phone lines, what you do? We go paste them on top of our screen, make you feel save them, and make you feel share them with your friends too. And we get all free like when we say, you go call, you go talk. The full Nigeria go they hear you, but now we go they pay. Unkubi,
yes,
this news no be waiting person they happy about. You know, so if when I first hear them, I dey flabbergasted and overwhelmed because how people when we say they don't swear loyalty to the land. They don't swear to ensure discipline, law and order, security for inside this Obodo, Nigeria. Some people go come decide, say, they won't embark on strike. There is no justification for such an action. And it is tantamount to what people they call mutiny. Now, mutiny, I go talk on top of this show. And I go expose all the bad people.
Chukudi, no go too further. May I ask you this question? If your papa na police, mpage, if your papa na police, they come they own money or probably they give him promotion. As a result of that, his salary increased like last year or 2 years back. They don't come pay on that promotion money. They come they give him, they even allow and they don't give him. They come they give him the same normal money where they collect before. And time can't reach, say, look, time for election don't reach. And this one, the election matter we talk about.
So hold on,
now me get floor.
You don't get any floor. Which floor you get? Why you want to confuse Nigerians?
And listen to me.
They promote you.
As a result of that,
you say they don't pay you.
Hold on.
You come on go strike on the 28th of March.
Wait.
How is it possible?
You can't say, okay, for instance, you can't say,
you
okay,
want go strike
28th
on 28th of March.
Well, no, say,
it is a treasonable felony.
Their life themselves, their own life self, see they at risk because of waiting, because of the height of this election.
Oh, now you don't turn vanguard of the police.
Hold on.
You don't defend police.
Hold on.
Meanwhile, when AIG Umbu talk say anybody when kill a man, he go make sure say they deal with the person.
Chukudi.
Now you come here talk say they don't get any right. Now you don't defend the police.
Chukudi.
He will Jesus.
Chukudi.
He will Jesus. Defender of the police. Nigerians now they see. Unkubi when come here last week. Talk say police. They do this, they do that. Now you defend police.
They contradict my own talk.
Now you defend police.
They contradict my talk. Listen to me.
A police officer.
Wait,
that's
listen to me. It is their job.
Loyalty and discipline.
So, for instance,
March 28th,
your papa,
you won't go strike.
I see that your papa as example.
How is it possible?
I see there on top of your papa as example.
Continue,
hear me. And for instance, if your papa be they buy bag of rice or probably half bag of rice, 5,000 naira.
March 28th.
Before.
Strike.
He call it now.
Police officer.
He can't say the bag of rice don't listen. Things don't they expensive.
March 28th.
And you won't put in life for the service of the nation. It's a life where we say, you don't know. You understand that?
You can't go strike on March 28th. You can't go strike on March 28th.
I have made it very clear to you.
It is being selfish.
The only language.
It is being selfish.
The only language the government understand, this present government understand now strike.
This one not even concern government.
Why not concern them?
Wait till you see Nigerians.
The police under who they...
Oh!
Of course! You see what?
Now the lie when they always tell Nigerians be this.
Lie where?
The money when excuse me, sir.
I be lie.
Excuse me, sir.
I be lie.
The money when they pay police has been earmarked already. I go speak English.
Earmarked? Why haven't they paid it? Why has it been earmarked? Why they never pay until now?
One thing when I go stand on and say, do not mention the government on this matter. Everything when I put, they blame government. Rain fall for January, they blame government. Your wife put salt for soup, you blame government. Your pikin fall down, you blame government. People when we say, oh, make I even come ask you this first question. First and foremost, it is possible to say that negligence. Yes?
Negligence, how?
No, it's negligence.
Negligence from who?
The police officers, these police officers, when they promote, if nobody knows, say, then they work, and then they recognize their work, they go promote them in the first place. There was promotion. Do you agree that there was promotion in the first place?
You were promoted 2 years ago.
Was there promotion in the first place?
What, you were promoted 2 years ago.
Was there promotion in the first place?
Okay, what follows for promotion?
Thank you very much.
Not the increase of salary and allowance.
Thank you very much.
So apart from that, one of the major reasons.
Which major reason?
One of the major reasons why they say they won't go this strike. Say they said they don't get a lot of retirees. A lot of retired policemen, when you say even allowance, they don't see collect as they retire.
That's a fallacious statement.
Why is it a fallacious statement?
It is very vague. It is very, very vague.
This is what we have seen. This is what we read.
What do you see?
We read. According to spokesperson,
many police retirees.
Who they speak for them on this issue? What are you saying?
Who they speak for them on this issue?
You want me to come and talk?
Mention the name now.
Why you expect that to come and talk?
As you don't want mention name, I go mention name now.
Mention name.
The first spokesman. The spokesman of the Nigeria Police Force, person when they talk on behalf of the Nigeria Police Force, Emeka Ojukwu, he come out, he talk and say, fine.
What is the portfolio?
Excuse me.
What is Emeka Ojukwu portfolio?
Emeka Ojukwu na police officer now.
What is the portfolio now?
What is now spokesperson of the Nigeria Police Force, representing the office of the Inspector General of Police.
Okay.
February 9. You say why they ask me? I want talk.
No, talk now.
Don't tell me make a talk.
Talky.
I want talk. You dey tell me say wetin talk.
Talk.
February, this talk about say they won't go on strike. They won't channel their grievance. It don't dey since. And the Inspector General of Police.
It don't dey since. Why you never address them?
You say
why we say wait.
Negligence.
Do you know what major negligence on the side of the Inspector General of Police?
So why were you blaming the government in the first place?
Because why hasn't the government called him to order?
Excuse
Who
me.
appointed him?
Excuse me.
Of course. Excuse me there.
If government enter the matter now, they go begin to say government dey chook mouth.
What is excuse me there?
Government give Jega handwork make he do.
This is it.
He no do away. They blame government.
Because if you say, look, police don't say they won't give their life to the service of the nation, and for that reason, say NTA concern strike, may they not even mention them for among their this thing. Why they not go mention them? So that is why you know if they cheat them. They they cheat them. They collect their money, they chop. You don't go try make them talk.
This is not
why they not go talk?
This is not a matter of cheating.
What is it?
It's even against the law.
That what?
For a police officer.
That what?
To embark on strike. Police officers,
aren't they humans? Don't they have the right to protest if they are being cheated?
That is why.
A typical example.
That is why you were supporting those that kill police officers. A typical example. That is why you were attacking.
A typical example is when that pension issue, when they steal their own money, you expect them to keep quiet? Answer that one. Pension money, police pension money, when they chop that time. You expect them to keep quiet?
Who chop police pension money?
You ask me.
You tell me.
Let me people wait.
Thank you very much.
The same pension board.
The same people now.
Authorities.
The same people now.
You expect me to keep quiet?
The same people now when they carry broom. Oh. The same people now when they carry broom.
Chukudi.
No, they call my name.
Chukudi.
No, they call my name.
Broom.
We know
Mention name.
We know now.
Mention name.
We know now.
Mention name now.
Thank you very much. Now, I know.
Talk.
How can 15,000 police officers hold the nation to ransom? You see, 15,000.
Why would they hold the nation to ransom?
Why would they hold the nation to ransom?
Chukudi.
They no swear to serve. They no swear to protect. Police officers will come talk say.
These police officers don't get family.
Because of say they promote.
Hold on. They don't get wife and kids.
Now you know say they get wife and kids. Meanwhile, last week you talk say me they kill them. No be what you talk last week.
Me take my own man talk to me they kill police.
You come out here talk say hey I Jumbo make mistake.
No.
Say why you go talk that kind of thing?
Why not go talk say why you go talk like that?
Now you call the defend police.
Why not go talk so?
Defender.
I think situations might happen. That is why it is right of the police to investigate whatever happens.
December.
Then carry out the necessary punishment will carry out.
December 2013.
Why you
December 2013, they promote these police officers. The fact that they promote them means say the rank and file of the Nigerian police force understand say okay oh these people they work because the promotion at to show say okay oh you don't work, you don't serve one particular period, make they elevate you. Now, if you never collect your allowances, your arrears, this is not even arrears, money will not even pass.
But you mentioned
there are ways that you can channel your grievance.
You have said it yourself. You have said it yourself.
Nigeria won't get election, you say you will go on strike, and you they justify say na strike, now you they understand.
Yes, because now the only way this issue can be addressed.
Oh,
because now the only way this issue can be properly looked into, checked, and addressed properly.
As you did like this now.
But if this election don't go past, forget Chukudi, these people will be forgotten.
And that is because of...
These people will be forgotten.
And that is because
nothing will be done on this issue.
You when you there,
nothing will be done on this issue.
You don't get respect for police.
Chukudi, me.
The officer, yes.
Chukudi, why you go take some no get respect for police?
Now something when we say Nigeria, you talk last week now.
How? Tell me.
You talk here last week.
No, I want you to quote me.
One of our callers even called talk say. If soldier man tell you say, hey, don't move, you don't go move. If police tell you, you go to eye him, you go to look at him, you go to do like this.
So
people don't bastardize the institution,
one of our
the Nigerian police force institution. And now waiting the government of Goodluck Ebele Jonathan don't come. Don't change them. People don't begin to respect police. There is sanity in the Nigerian police force.
By promoting and not implementing what go follow up promotion. Negligence on the side of who now?
How can people come out and talk say they won't go on strike on the 28th of March?
Let me ask you a question.
Make I use you do example.
No. May I ask you one question?
I must use you do example.
Make I ask you one question.
Your wife, they complain, say, you don't give her money for soup.
If the negligence come from Suleiman Abba, if you come from Suleiman Abba,
you can't touch her, you can't push her hand. What do you go do?
You say what?
You say what you waiting.
I don't hear you talk again.
Oh yeah, thank you.
If not something I go fit answer or not.
Your wife, they complain, say you don't give her money for soup. Maybe because of the economic crunch when meet you.
Okay.
You don't give her money for soup. She can't complain, say, okay, as you don't give me money for soup now, I go protest, I go strike. Night call reach.
She got the right.
Thank you. Make her tell you the strike when she strike first before you talk now. Night call reach. Rain they fall. Based on the way when this government on the way say our even weather don't they favorable. Rain come they fall. Thunder they strike, breeze they blow. Breeze can't blow you somehow for body, you can't touch your wife. You touch him, he come on your hand. You touch him, he come on your hand. You touch him, he come on your hand. He can't stand up, can't say, I don't strike. What do you go do?
I go listen to her strike action.
We strike action.
I go listen.
Now your head, you dey use the thing that time. Excuse me. Now your head, you dey use the thing that time. I mean, now all that thing you dey take the thing.
Chikodi, at that moment, I go know why she strike.
At that moment.
Yes, because I know say. In the first place, me where we say where she don't cry, I not give her chop money, food for food. I mean money for food.
For food. For food. So you now, your wife, they ask you to give her money for food. You don't give her since shame no catch you. Rain come the 4 for night. You can't begin to touch her. It is the same scenario.
Now the reaction of say I not give her money for food.
Oh, thank you very much. Yes. Now, police, Nigeria police.
Yes.
The institution of the Nigeria police force.
Yes.
Promote police officers.
Should the authorities understand, say these people need more this thing, they need more allowances, they need more, their salary to be increased.
Thank you very much.
If they put something in place, what is supposed to follow what you put in place?
From
not
January.
the same allowance and increase in salary. When you take your own and talk, say, from that moment on, they promote them. So now what is going to come in place?
Last month, February, and the month before, January, they collect their money. Now, when I feel beat my chest, talk say, now negligence.
They collect their normal money, they collect.
No. They with the allowance don't enter, everything don't enter. The problem when they get now are the 13-month arrears when they come from December. And I'm telling you that it is negligence.
Why is it negligent? Because the only language most people understand that strike.
And on March 28th,
Chukudi.
Election day.
Chukudi.
You know what they think about this thing?
If it will make the police force work better on that day, make them go to strike right now, make them get their result. So that by 28th, they will feel work the way they want work.
Make una come begin they do wuru for election. Nigerians, can you see? They want make police strike. God go expose all of una. Una want make police strike on March 28th, election day. 2011, after Nigerians come out to elect good luck Ebele Jonathan. The transformation, when we say the man starts that year, when we dey see it now, what you una do after the election? Violence. Violence, violence. And police no strike that time. Oh, he come in now when police go strike. What thing go happen? What thing go happen?
Chukudi.
What thing go happen?
Chukudi.
No, they call my name. Chukudi. Answer my question.
One go break.
Which one? You go answer my question.
We go this break before.
You go answer my question.
And I get the right to answer question or not.
Our people waiting for us. We go rush enter market. When we go come back, we'll continue this discussion. And we go through our telephone lines open. Make you chook ma for this matter.
You go first, me I talk.
You go talk. You will talk. Welcome back to E DEY HOT, the Ogbonge politic discussion show on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. Ezugu Chukwu, the Anunku be there inside studio, and with the chook mouth on top of the one when we say some police officers come and talk, say they won't go strike from March 28th because of say the money where we say that they owe them after they promote them, they never pay them. Unkubi, I've been tell you before we go, say you must talk
quickly because as part of this thing, see waiting this person right to. Dennis talks say Chukudi. Imagine say you as a journalist, they no pay you. You go there happy to work. Police said them be human being. You understand? So I not see it is justifiable. If they want to go to strike on that day, it is justifiable, Chukudi.
The same way when you justify, say person talk say they go form parallel government. The same way when you justify, say, may they give Boko Haram amnesty. You talk all this thing for this program. Your body language, your body language, your body language, your body language.
Chukudi,
somehow, your body language.
Chukudi, don't kill me.
The same way when you come on top of here, talk say, maybe people they keep police.
Chukudi.
Your body language don't show, say, you all the bad things that you they support. Yes.
Hey.
Yes. How you go come and talk, say, make people go on strike on March 28th.
Chukudi.
March 28th.
Chukudi, me.
March 28th.
Chukudi.
It is an insult to the institution of the Nigerian Police Force. You know, I always talk about all this show. Those of us who go command, we understand security. We understand security.
Don't mention command again. You don't do it. Ozugogi. Mention, if you mention, not just mention command. What has come? Why they bring in? Why they always make sure say the right making vex with it?
Because it's my background. It's my background.
Because of say you go command. What did you come in?
People when go command.
Chukudi,
understand.
I wish you have probably ended up as a policeman or a soldier.
Thank you very much.
Make you also have a feel of what these people they feel right now.
Thank you very much. As I don't go
I know say now you with this guy eye when they open like this. With this eye when they open. Now you go first carry plaque and say, look, oh, March 28th. We not say they sacrosanct, but then if they no pay us our money, we no go work.
You know if you talk what's in my mind.
Chukudi.
You know if you talk what's in my mind.
Your body language says talk.
Which body language?
The same body language.
You won't come here talk say
your body language.
You won't come here endorse people. Say me they treat police anyhow.
Me.
You won't come here endorse Boko Haram. You come here now come they talk say this thing.
Me endorse Boko Haram.
I don't tell you. You are in trouble. Then they find you. You don't know. Then they find you. You don't know. You go talk say make police go on strike. Make police go on strike on March 28th. Important day. You support make police go on strike.
The strike action is justifiable.
Make we take Willie. I dey very sure say Willie go talk what you had to talk.
Willie, good morning.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Oga Willie.
Tukudi and Uncle Bebrito now.
Yes, good morning, madam.
At the end of discussion, it's not good for the police people to go on strike.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
It's very bad. We are trying to maintain peace and they are trying to bring another wahala.
Can you see?
Don't they have the right to go on strike if they want to?
Which right?
Aren't they humans?
Allow her.
Make the election to be postponed again. So it's better that they not go on strike so that nowhere they go hold hands to go to postpone the election.
Thank you. Thank you
That
very
is why
much.
the government
Thank
needs
you.
to come into this issue.
Thank you,
and
mommy.
make sure that they settle that
Thank
for
you.
once.
Mommy, thank you. You have said it all.
See, when they do better work there, they help us. And again, our president don't try well.
Thank you.
Just these people when they carry drones, some of them never stood their house for 2 months.
Oh.
Even when their wife gets pregnant, they don't know how to hold broom.
Oh.
So what they don't do for us now? Charity begins at home. I beg, let's not leave president make completing work.
Thank you very much.
Everybody don't see the thing to do attacking.
Thank you.
Some of us don't control our family self. Doctors support person when they control the whole nation. In God not to say something when he does good.
Thank you very much, madam.
Nkubi, answer her question.
Very, very much.
Answer her question.
Good question. She asked
Answer
question.
her question.
She not ask question.
How people go on the 28th of March? Our political state is
there's
delicate.
nothing to be answered. I don't answer them. Don't answer them. Yaduni, they call us from Oshogo. Good morning, Yaduni. Good morning, Yaduni. Hello, Yaduni, they there?
Yeah, there.
Yeah, good morning.
I better reduce the volume of your television. I will hear you.
Okay, good morning.
Thank
good morning.
Hello, sir. I join our program.
Thank you very much.
The one, the topic we're going to come bring today. Now, what you know, you see there, we say, as long as they won't go on strike or they don't go on strike, what you matter most, we say, make the strike no affect the election.
Okay, thank you very much.
Tell them,
Thank you very much.
Another plan for them to shift the election.
You see?
If at the end of nothing, 15,000 people, 15,000
15,000.
don't go for strike. If they like, maybe be 2 million when they don't go for strike. As long as the election no shift, no affect the election.
Tell them,
Yes.
now they won't spoil her.
That is why the strike they come up now.
Shift the election. I think I did have it. So
Thank you.
I mean, me that goes because I don't promote person from like 3 years ago. They don't PM.
Thank you very much, oh.
Negligence.
Thank you.
Negligence.
And you get family.
Thank you.
You just argue unnecessary argument.
Thank you very much. Tell him.
Negligence.
No, serious. Imagine now, you refuse someone. May they promote you. They don't give you allowance.
Now why police officer go strike on March 28th?
The reason they justifiable.
In this time where secret or police one day exposed because they give them allowance for boots, for uniform, for this, for house. They know they give them these people all this money. Now they then your gas on top they pack for corner they spend. Eh? So me I know they go strike, don't go strike. Me no affect.
Thank you very much, Adoni.
Imagine people they shift their wedding dates every month because of I mean they shift the election. I think I get that.
Thank you.
Election, they don't shift the election.
Thank you. That is don't make point.
Okay, Aduni. I want use this question escort you as you go. How it take possible say members of the Nigeria police force go strike on March 28th?
Why is it not possible
in Nigeria, and it is not going to affect the election?
Is it not possible?
Why is this so?
Why is it not so?
It is a ploy.
It is a ploy
by
to
you
do what?
people.
By you people.
To scuttle the election.
To scuttle the election.
You people.
How am I sure? It's not in our own plan.
You people.
Ishmael from Mina. Good morning. Good morning, Ishmael.
It could be my man.
Yes.
It could be my man.
Good morning, Daddy. I hear you.
Good morning. That guy when he wears suit, that one na PDP.
I know wear suit, oh.
He wear. I need to see him wear.
Thank you.
When we wear jacket, so
yes.
Oh, now we score.
Right on, Daddy.
Now we score.
Right on.
The bill was this quite challenges bill. APC go sign into law for you people. Now you promote person who no give an allowance. This one they send is a signing warning.
Negligence.
Signing warning before the election.
Negligence.
Now military they perform now. Now all you military during the election. So now abandon police. Shine your eye well. It could be shine your eye well.
No wahala. See.
Oga Ismail, I appreciate your point. I understand where you come from. But I go like let you understand, say, for Niger State where you call us from, una sef don't see the transformation when we say, Oga
Ismail, you don't make your point. That's your point. We don't accept that. Me, I don't accept it. If you don't get ready to accept, me, I don't accept your point. Thank you very much.
No transformation. No structure. No transformation.
Now change.
Thank you very much.
Change.
You don't hear that. He not tell you. He not tell you. Say keep on with the transformation. Keep on with the transformation.
As if I don't get here. I hear what you talk.
You know hear what you talk.
No transformation.
Nah, you know what?
No transformation.
You know what this government go do for you? The government go provide airdrop for you because you need them. Make we take Obiora. Obiora, they call us from Yola. Obiora, good morning, sir.
Obiora, good morning. Obiora, you there? Yeah, we hear you. Increase your voice. Okay.
Because if not, why should they ask stock of price on our election day? I don't want to know the stock of election again. And me, as I don't hear for you, I don't suspect people that don't suspect you now.
Hey.
And Oga Obiora don't talk calm.
Wetin talk?
He don't drop the thing.
Wetin Obiora
say monkey hand dey inside this match 28 strike.
And what did the monkey hand come from that side?
Microscopic.
Because Nana
15,000 police officers.
postponed the election.
15,000 police officers.
Nana postponed the election.
How?
We then underground game to make sure say na further push election.
How?
But I know if you come and talk now.
National Security Advisor.
On
the advice of the National Security Advisor.
That deliberately, we never can tell if he be plot with some.
Have we not taken back? Have we not taken back our territories from Boko Haram? Have we not dealt decisively with Boko Haram? In 2 weeks, in two weeks, the military don't make gains against Boko Haram.
Okay, they call us from Calabar. Good morning, okay?
Good morning, Mr. Nkubi.
Yes.
Good morning, Mr. Jokode.
Good morning, Ogo, okay?
How are you now?
We did fine.
Okay, I still enjoy you now.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Make a chook mouth small. Waiting day, we say, what I want to ask you, say, why be saying that 28th of March?
Oh, thank you.
Is it justifiable?
It's unfair now.
Thank you.
This one not be only monkey hand there, but baboon hand follow them.
Oh.
Because I know food we go chop today. If you chop today, can't chop and tomorrow, no be bad food still. So, to my own opinion, maybe just one break, so that after the election, at least I know say they go see them well and they go smile once again.
Somebody person promotes you.
In paying their salary, they're not owing them.
Thank you. They're not owing them.
I think.
Now the increments, now they want. They're not owing them.
There's conspiracy,
Thank you. Monkey and baboon hand they inside. Thank you, Oga, okay? He don't come well.
Oga, okay, thank you very much. Make them wait after election, Oga, okay?
Unkubi.
So that thing that they will implement them. So that they just live on that same salary where they collect, Abi.
Unkubi.
Why then did you have to promote them? Why did you have to promote them?
Unkubi.
When you know they're ready to give them their allowance and their increased salary?
What is the bone of contention?
The bone of contention is, one, you elevate person's position.
Thank you.
2 years back.
Thank you.
What are you supposed to do?
Make we even put the date, December 2013.
Beautiful. But before we go enter into that, Prince, they call us from Kaduna. Good morning, Prince.
Uncle, good morning.
Good morning.
And Chukudi, my mother, they hail you.
Good morning, sir. They hail you back.
Yeah. You see that March 28th is very, very important.
Very important.
Very, very important. We know yes, police, they try. And they do well. But maybe they not can use that excuse to spoil the good work they do for this country.
We know the people who put the monkey
inside. See them.
We know the people who put the monkey inside.
Because now when we say government, they try to reduce tension, make everybody vote peacefully. Police, they carry their own wahala come again.
Oh.
Yet they go say police is your friend.
But
this issue don't dey since, no be today.
Thank you.
You understand? Why they say they want strike on that? Why they say that?
Why they no attend to them that time? Those
March
all those why? Why they never address them?
March 28th.
Something. You want vote in peace or not?
Of course, I want to vote in peace.
No. Why police go to carry this kind of excuse and
because sometimes the only language some people don't understand is strike.
Why can't they look for another day?
March 28th.
See,
15,000 policemen. 180 million Nigerians.
See, police are now one part of security.
Thank you. Paramilitary.
Now, just one part of security. Military, they there. Air Force, they there. Immigration, they there. Other
Naval, they there. Navy, they there.
So many noticing only them, now go fix.
Even civil defense, I man know what they there.
You understand, ba? So I beg, instead of make they promote peace, they want to bring wala. I beg, make this country get peace for crying out loud. I beg. It's very, very important. They should not even think of doing anything. They strike at that day. They should look for another day, please.
Thank you. In fact, there is no basis. Oga Prince, thank you very much. There is no basis for a strike.
Don't tell me there is no basis for a strike.
Don't
tell me there is no basis for a strike.
They know they owe them. The problem now say, now the old salary they still collect.
Before you take a decision.
Now the old salary they still
collect.
Before you take a decision. Why now go on strike on March 28th on election day in the history of Nigeria?
What are the things attached to this decision I want to take? Promotion, increase in salary. Are you ready to pay this increase? Are you ready to give them this allowance?
Maybe we take James from Niger. You won't go on strike on election day. Oga James, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Chukwudi.
Good morning, Oga James.
Good morning. Oga Nkubi, easy. Good morning, sir. How is everything?
We dey fine.
Thank you very much. Oga Nkubi, at times, I don't like your argument, but at times they be baseless.
Thank you.
You know, you talk like person where you say, you will be graduate, you're going to talk, they argue like person where don't go school like those people.
He dey carry broom now.
I dey hear you.
Like, it's very, very inhuman, wickedness, and it's illegal.
Thank you.
You understand? The day when president increase their salary, they go strike before president increase their thing. It's not good. They are just trying to, destroy our president. But even if they lie, let them go on strike. One soldier is more than 100 policemen.
Can you see?
Why go believe
more
police
than
like that?
Policemen, as far as Niger police is concerned, they are just doing nothing. Can you believe that Niger police cannot stop a common street fight except if soldier come? Like, what are they doing? They are not even doing anything apart from collecting.
Oga James, thank you very much. Oga James,
thank you very much.
Thank you very much. But then, Oga James, no talk say one military, they equal to 100 police. No, we don't accept that one here at all.
You know why you even talk that thing? Now because of waiting, una don't turn our police people to.
Who be doing that?
Last week you come here and talk say if make a kill, anybody will like make you break policeman head, make you do anything to policeman. You talk him now. After AIG Umbu come and talk say he go defend the men, he go ensure say people don't take the lives of the men. What you talk? You come here and talk him. Say why AIG Umbu go talk that kind of thing.
In a moment like this.
That way you don't rubbish the police force.
Like this,
you are rubbishing the police force.
I never for once rubbish the police force.
Last week.
Say if the things could lead to violence. When say
policeman go come suffer the violence.
In the end,
and now you can't talk say he no dey right
to investigate the matter.
If you never rubbish the police institution, he no go talk that kind of thing. Now you cause am. All the things when I don't talk about police, now they cause this thing when they happen here today. The institution of the police force. Police won't strike on March 28th.
Polycarp.
Thank you.
Good morning, Polycarp.
From Enugu, thank you. From Enugu.
Oga Polycarp, good morning.
I better reduce the volume of your television, more hear you.
Good morning, Kudi.
Good morning, Oga Polycarp.
Good morning, Chukode.
Good morning, Oga Polycarp.
Okay. I want to come out and say what I talk about.
I better chook mouth inside. We won't hear you.
Before the police go on strike, may they go read the Nigerian pledge. You think we're there for Nigerian pledge.
Thank you.
I think where they agree before they take them for work.
Thank you.
So, and let them know say that they are planning, that is reasonable charge.
It's mutiny.
I just believe them. When they finish the election, that person will be sacked and they put in jail. I know there is my time where Buhari take for power. You go shoot them for firing squad. So they should take time. If they went on with that strike, I suggest that the election will be cancelled after. Let's do no more postponing, cancelling. So let me know where Buhari will come and they rule. So we're not happy. They should not do it this time. This is sabotage. And reasonable charge. They know about that. So
thank you very much.
I'm begging them, let them cancel the idea. If they're going to do it, let it be after the election.
Thank you. Oga Polycarp, before you go, may I ask you one question? Fuel still there, Enugu?
Fuel everywhere.
Oh, you see how?
What did the pledge talk?
You see how?
The Nigerian pledge talk say,
Oga Polycarp, thank you.
Listen, wait. I pledge to Nigeria, my country, to be faithful, loyal, and honest, to serve Nigeria with all my strength, to defend her unity and waiting, and oppose her waiting.
You go make mistake, oh. You go make mistake.
So help me God. But then.
So help which God?
Wait.
You go finish that pledge. You must finish that pledge.
Listen.
Unkubi, you go finish the pledge.
I know pledge.
To honor, so help me God. To honor, so help me God.
Listen to me, young man. I pledge Nigeria, my country, be faithful, loyal, and honest to serve Nigeria.
No, talk as slow.
To defend our unity and oppose our honor and glory. So help me God.
So you oppose. Which oppose?
Chukudi.
Unkubi, you must finish that pledge. You go talk again.
Recite pledge.
You don't recite them. You don't find trouble. You want recite pledge. You must recite them to oppose. To follow. To help me God. So help me God. To follow. To help me God. You go recite that pledge. If you don't finish that pledge, you will get issue.
Give clause for waiting for okay, fine for you to listen. But then that will also stop you from not doing it.
Take Prince from me now. You go finish that pledge. If you not finish that pledge, you will get problem. You want recite pledge. You as a Nigerian citizen, you want recite pledge.
I want recite them. Yes.
Oga Prince, good morning.
Oga Prince, good morning.
Good morning.
I bet Chukma for this matter.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
I want to commend Chukwu for what he's doing.
Oh, thank you very much.
You will not commend me.
Is it by force?
Oga Prince, you will not commend me.
Chukwu is a biased man.
Thank you.
All what I'm seeing is that there is a plot from APC to rig this election.
Hey.
Police to go on strike. Hello?
Yeah, we are here. Continue.
What they say, the 15,000 policemen where they plan to go on strike. Then the APC.
It is not justifiable. So police should not go on strike that very day.
Thank you very much.
Why can't they go strike in 2013 or 14? So they should call out that strike and should not go on strike that day. That's my point.
Thank you very much, Oga Prince. Thank you very much. Continue to watch as they hot. Tell your people make they watch, make una they call. Make I take one statement from Emmanuel Ojukwu, the first spokesperson of the Nigeria Police Force.
Okay.
He talk and say, I go talk am for English. He talk and say, make everybody understand. Say it is very, very important. It is very, very important. Say the police of the Nigeria Police Force, they now on top of discipline and loyalty, now they arrange them on top. And other avenues only for people to feel express their anger.
Beautiful.
And
thank God.
And
beautiful. If you go, but then Isa is calling us from Delta. Good morning, Isa.
Yeah, good morning, Nkubi.
Yes.
Thank you. You try.
Thank you very much.
I beg, I want to ask Chukudi. Are they been now, you where they work there?
Yes.
You for just, let's say 3 months now. You will consider for there.
Thank you very much.
And again, this thing when they talk to APC, nothing concern APC for this one.
Oh, thank you. Tell them.
PDP, they look for another way where they will postpone the election.
Thank you very much.
May them bring confusion inside the police. So that may people attraction, the police, may they say security, they see postpone the election. So now another way, this PDP, they feel do anything. So when they say APC, they power. When they say APC, they hand they there.
Help me ask him.
Hand they there.
Help me ask him.
People they rule, they hand they there.
Thank you very much, Oga Isa.
As far as I'm concerned, nothing concern APC for this one.
Thank you very much.
Oga Isa, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yes, we still take phone calls, and you when they ask, we call us to Chukma on top of this matter as some people for Nigeria Police Force talk say March 28, when the presidential and National Assembly election day, say they won't go on strike. We want hear what you think about them, so you go call to Chukma for this matter. When we go break, come back, we'll continue this our discussion as E DEY HOT. That pledge, you go complete
I go recite pledge for you.
Complete that pledge. We don't reach the final stretch of as E DEY HOT. And then the matter what they discuss, now the one where they come out plenty smoke, and many people don't chook mouth on top. Now the one where we say some members of the Nigeria Police Force come out talk say they go strike on March 28 because of since they promote them for December 2013, waiting they suppose they collect after promotion, they never they collect them. Ezuguchuku they don't be there inside studio and with the chook mouth to know whether this action good or be no good at all. As for me, I insist.
You insist?
It is wrong.
That what?
For police to strike.
They are human.
To even
so
think
for
of,
that reason, it's they're wrong in any way.
To even think
they
of
are
strike.
human.
And
they need to fight for their right. They need to fight for it.
To even think of strike, now offense.
Chukudi,
for police,
this will call for a quick action.
Strike.
This wait, because of it.
Make I ask you one question.
Ask.
Mosquito, you give mosquito blood, you give him apple juice. Which one he go collect?
Which kind of question be that?
No, you answer the
question.
Why
ask me that kind of question?
Apple juice and blood. Which one mosquito go collect?
You know whether mosquito don't rebrand to they drink apple juice.
Thank you very much. You see why I dey talk say now una dey behind this.
Yeah,
now una dey behind this.
Your talk you know even hold on.
Now una dey behind
this. You know
the
high tech fit into this matter.
How mosquito go take apple juice? You talk of rebranding.
You never can tell.
You talk of rebranding.
A mosquito might decide to drink. Mosquito.
Is it a matter of decision? Is it a matter of decision?
Kunle is calling us from Kaduna. Good morning, Kunle.
Oga Kunle, good morning.
Good morning.
I beg Chukma for this matter, Oga Kunle.
Hello?
Yes, we can hear you. Right on.
Mr. Shukudi.
Good morning, sir.
Alpha.
We did okay, Oga Kunle. Chukma for the matter.
I like to see you, Mr. Nkubi.
Good morning, Jare.
I beg. Men are beg them. Men are not set this country on fire.
Thank you very much. Tell
them, Abi.
Because all na plan. If this thing happen, na not go escape am.
Na them, Abi. Tell them.
Because this thing wey they talk, they say they want bring security come on. Now who be they talk to?
Now. Point yourself.
They say they want bring security come out. They say now say men are not bring that come out. Now they support police. May they go for strike.
How you take concern the opposition?
Now one cause civil war for this country.
How you take concern the opposition?
Excuse me, allow him.
It could be. Now they for Lagos. How many times you they see military man with uniform?
Thank you.
Come see wetin dey happen. You hear? Come to north, come see wetin dey happen. Every hour, if you want to see military, go see them for checking point. We know what is happening in this country because of political ambition. Make they not set this country on fire.
Thank you.
Understand now? Make they not set this country on fire. Men are not to support something that is not good. How we say, and for years, when you don't hear say police go strike, they won't go strike and they support them, they go for strike.
On election day,
this is a call for the people where they try to find solution to before that election day.
Allow Mr. Kunle talk now.
May they go for strike. Men are not set this country on fire.
Thank you. Now when they want you, you know that joke, you laugh. He they want you, he they draw here, tell you. He they draw here, tell you.
Okay, let me read this call. This message from Igor. Igor talks say, why be say now that day they want no. I am not reading this.
You must read them all.
You go read that. Now you go take your own mouth to read that.
Igor talks say, why be say now that day they want strike? Monkey and they inside. He be like say, who could be people get and inside this matter? Igor don't talk and finish now.
Okay, Igor. Anyway, Obasi, they call us from Sokoto. Good morning, Obasi.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Chukwudi.
Good morning, Oga Obasi.
Good morning, Nkubi.
Good morning.
God bless Chukwudi.
Thank you.
Chukwudi, we are going to award you at the end of this wahala. We are going to award you.
Thank you, sir.
For the course you are taking.
Thank you
understand?
Sir.
On whose interest is the police serving?
Thank you.
The nation's
interest is the police serving. If at the critical time where Nigerians need their support, they say they are going on strike. I'm seeing the hand of a monkey inside the soup.
Thank you.
That is Akenwe inside the soup.
Thank you.
You understand? That looks like Akamado, looks like a human being hand.
Thank you.
You understand? APC should be okay now. They have tried this country. Boko Haram, this and that, terrorists, this and that, armed robbers, kidnappers, now them, to make sure that the rubbish Jonathan, they no succeed. You understand? They have seen that they will never win this election. That's why they want to push the police now to bring problem on the 28th of March.
Thank you very much. Don't make very strong points. I beg continue to watch as they hot. Make una dey hear all the topic they carry come. They chook mouth on top of the matter. All the people who not call us when we take the call, we appreciate una. Those where we know say then they try, but because of the way when our lines they busy, una no connect. We also appreciate una. Make una continue to watch as they hot. Because no matter when concern everybody inside Obodo Nigeria, now we dey discuss on top of this show. We always talk and say Nigeria no be anybody personal estate. Go collect your PVC if you never collect. Now March 8th, it dey close. And make sure say on the 28th and April 11th, you come out, you vote, and you no fight anybody. Nigeria and our country, it no go spoil. Unkubi.
Yes, Nigeria and our country, it no go spoil. But then we go still need to tell ourselves some good truth. Because if the people in charge, or rather the right authorities were supposed to address this matter, no great address them on time. You don't expect nothing else but strike. But then I will also use this opportunity to tell whoever is in charge, make them look into this matter, address them on time before 28, because that 28 day very, very important to the country. From me, Webi Nkubi, I will say bye-bye for now, till tomorrow. Yes, what will be the same I do?
You go resign.
I pledge to Nigeria, my country, to be faithful.